Leighton Smith has decades of experience in the comedic game, but how did he get his start? Let's find out in our FiWi Culture segment.
Merry Christmas, it never nice like them one and now, them full of vibes. When we grew up, it was boring. A one tie we have, and I green soldier man was head so. If you're not moving, me not move.
How did your entry into stand-up comedy begin? Where did it come from in terms of you wanting to do something like this as a career?
Where it all started? Right down in Thornton, St. Elizabeth, where we are located right beside the distillery where they make rum. So I have the experience of seeing 90% of men drunk. So that's a sober way to start.
Just said something. Listen. So I went to the Western Union to pick it up. When I walked in, I saw two boys. And I see them. I know I'm not going with the money.
How did you hone your craft through the years?
Just by watching the news and reading the papers, then I just put things together and say, this is what I want. I want my signature brand to be different.
What do you enjoy most about being a stand-up comedian?
The relief that people receive when they leave a show, that this made me look at life that sometimes we don't take things too serious. You can laugh about it, and when you finish laugh, you just get a little idea, say, oh, that's what I should do. And you'll find people coming to you after the show and tell you that, why, this evening, I really enjoy myself. And that for you is that they give you $1 million. Because you don't know what people face before they come to the show. And you don't want them to leave with that.
Yeah, man, now wear my shirt, them in my pants, them always out. So I have two phones. I have one in my hand and one for my waist. Come on. I collect money. And I look straight on them and check it. And then I put in my shirt and this up. I look back, none of them are moving. And I walk, I go down, I say, do God, don't make you ready.
Alright, my side, so as you can see, a darkness, and as we skip out, I say, a night time, which means it's the end of this week's episode of Pree Dis Show. But before we go, Eddie, how would you describe your first episode?
It was a good episode, honestly, Naldo. Top bunks, hilarious. Absolutely hilarious.
For sure, for sure. Alright guys, welcome again, Eddie. I'm your boy Naldo Addy, and until next week, take care of yourself. We're out.